From Lady Gaga to the Duchess of Cambridge, well, everybody wears his clothes. So when Manish Arora showcases in the capital, and that too after a very long time, and at the grand finale, how can our Bollywood fashionista stay far behind only because of the love that he commands?
It's an incredible experience to watch a Manish Arora show. It's an experience. And the clothes are spectacular, and I deserve every piece.
You should.
I have driven 6 hours from Ranthambore for this show, and it's only for Manish I would do something like this.
Last year I went to a festival called Burning Man, which happens in Nevada desert in America, and I got inspired by the festival.
From the gorgeous lady in black Preeti Zinta to the young and promising student of the year Siddharth Malhotra, or for that matter Isha Gupta and Jacqueline Fernandez. Well, Bollywood too made its presence felt at the Wills Lifestyle India Fashion Week, but never once taking away the emphasis from the business of fashion.
Fashion is a part of you. So, you know, some days you feel glamorous, so you put on, like with this dress, I feel really glam.
You feel great every time you walk the ramp. Be it a model or an actor, you just feel you have to pretend to be more, do something else as an actor, but there's nothing else you can do.
Manish has a weakness come his specialty. He likes to show a woman a woman. The moment you think Punjab, you think colours and happiness, and that's what his outfits are all about.
There's a certain amount of elegance that Manish Malhotra outfit brings. I don't know why, but every time I'm in a Manish Malhotra, I feel like royalty.
When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore. When the world seems to shine.
So 5-day extravaganza of fashion, fun, glamour, and not to mention some brilliant theatricals that were on offer finally comes to an end. And what we're taking back from the Wills Lifestyle India Fashion Week 2013 Autumn-Winter Edition is fashion in its full glory. With Balraj Saini and Vimal Goswal, this is Griha in Delhi for Times Now.